So here is a quick video that tells you how to do a section. So this is our classwork, and I have already made some notes on here about different widths, so I know how big things are. I've also measured. This thing is 42'6" overall, so now I know how big things are, and let's get started. Let's get started drawing stuff here. So let's bring this up a little bit. Now the first thing I want to do is put a line down. I know that I can use a 1/4 inch scale because I measured 42'6" and I came across here to 42'6", and yeah, sure enough, that'll fit nicely on my piece of paper. So okay, let's go ahead, we'll get a line in, and I'm just going to put a line in right there just so we have something to start with. All right, now so that's going to be my floor. So next I'm going to start at the left, and I'm just going to give myself a line up just so I have a starting place. Now I know that the building is 42 feet 6 inches, so I'm going to go 42'6" and make a tick, and then I'm going to have, this is the right hand side. Okay, now as far as height, I'm going to make a command decision and say we're going to have a 9-foot ceiling. So let's give us a 9-foot ceiling, and that's going to be right there. So this is a long, thin drawing here. So there we go. All right, so this is going to be my finished ceiling. Okay, so my whole drawing is going to appear in this box. All right, so here's my section view. Okay, and this is what I'm going to draw in this box. This is at 3/16 scale. This is at 1/4 scale. All right, so I'm going to start over here on the left, and I'm going to work my way across, drawing in everything I'd be able to see if I cut this building in half and looked inside. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. All right. Now, so the first thing I've got is a 6-inch thick wall. So I'm just going to start making a whole bunch of tick marks, and I will come in and fill them in later. So again, I'm using a 1/4 scale. So I've got a 6-inch wall. That's here. And then I have 9'4" from the inside of the wall to the inside of this wall here. So we've got 9 foot, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a 5-inch wall. And then, so from here, I don't know if you can see that. I think that's outside the camera. There, okay. So from here to here is the 5-inch thickness of the wall. Then I've got 3 feet to the door. The door is 2'6", and then there's a 5-foot stretch to the corner. All right, so let's do that. So we've got 3 feet. And then a door that is 2'6" wide, and then 5 feet to the corner. Now, the next thing we have from this side to this side is 14'9". So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. So 14 feet and 9 inches. And then we've got 4'2", 4'2", and 2'6". And then a 3-inch gap. So 4'2". Yeah, we are running out of space. Did I measure something wrong? Let me check here. That's at 3/16. No, that's 4. So from here to here should be 7'3", something like that. So if we go over here, switch to 1/4 inch, it's about right to there. It's about right. So 4 foot. So let's say we're going to have 3 inches. Wait a minute, that's a 6-inch thick wall. So now I'm working from this side. And a 3-inch gap. 2.6 for the door. Yep, that's right. Okay, so now that I have my ticks, I'm going to go through and draw my lines. Okay, now this is the left-hand side of the door, so I'm not going to go all the way up. This is the right-hand side of the door, so again, I'm not going to go all the way up. This is the corner where the kitchen starts. So now, notice, I only draw one line there because I can't see this line, it's behind the wall. The only thing I can see is this corner right there, and that's what that represents, okay? So, same thing over here. All I can see is just this corner, okay? I can't see through the wall, so I only have one line, right? And that's going to be this line right here. All right, and then the next two are, again, a door, so I'm not going to go all the way up. Okay, there's my door, and then there's the thickness of the exterior wall, and that does go all the way up.